Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Hana Network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Hana Network is a user-centric blockchain platform designed to simplify entry into Web3 by acting as an intuitive gateway that bridges traditional finance and the crypto ecosystem, simplifies onboarding, aims to make blockchain feel as easy as Web2 through a gamified, hyper casual experience focused on social, finance, and content. Built on Cosmos, utilizes the Cosmos SDK and a proof of stake consensus mechanism for interoperability and scalability, privacy and access. Feature privacy enhancing technology and a trustless on off ramp gateway to facilitate secure, seamless transactions. Hana Network token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 509.8 million Hana token. Hana token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.